Honey, I'm home. We're down at Royalton. Let me give you a room tour. So firstly, check for mirror, lovely. I got my tub, y'all. It is so nice and deep in the middle of the room. So sexy. This is the bathroom right here. Nice big wide mirror. And then this shower, bruh. Look at this. Oh, firstly, 1 rain shower, 2 rain shower. I can sit down right there and contemplate life if I feel like. It's so spacious in here. Like, I'm echoing now. You hear that? Not echo. Yes. Yes, with a little opaque decoration of our privacy. Very sexy. Then, got the 2 sinks. Always love these mirrors. This room is so hot. Yes. Full length mirror. Another one. Thank you. Look at this headboard. Just take a moment for that art right there. Then, of course, we have drinks. It's all inclusive, so we can eat and drink as much as we want. And they already stocked up my bar. I have my water, my hydration, my dehydration right there, so. And look at my little foyer. I want to sit at the desk and chill, hang out at the couch, okay? And look at my view. Let's go outside. So you even have a screen if I want to keep it open but don't have the bugs come in. That is appreciated. Look at this view. Wow. I have the pool, my balcony. Sit here and relax, and the water. This is beautiful. Wow. Wow, let me use the other lens so I can show you everything in one shot. Look at that. Wow. So I'm home, guys. My first time in Negril. I'm gonna be doing Mocha Fest. Going to be turning up every day, every night, living it up. Oh goodness, let the games begin.